Hello everyone, thanks for joining my unboxing. Today I am unboxing the Dicon Photocard 101 custom book for BTS. This was released on February 3rd, 2022, and it includes photo cards from 2018 to 2021, and also a binder to hold them. So let's go ahead and take a look at this. I purchased this at my local K-pop store. There were several options to buy them online, but they were either about the same price or maybe a little bit more expensive, and so I chose to purchase from my local K-pop store instead. So it comes in this little box. The album. Love the pretty purple color it comes in. And let's see how this opens. It looks like it's a binder that opens like this. So there are all the cards here. There's a little key ring put your photo card in. There's a nice photo of all of them with their signatures. And here's the protective sleeves to put the cards in. So let me see if I can open this without tearing anything. I've already torn something today, so let's hope there's nothing else that I'm tearing. So, looks like I should be able to pop this open. Right. So here are the photo cards. So these are the official photo cards also. Very nice. I won't go through all of them, but it's on a very nice, high quality cardstock. And of course it says their name and a little message on every one of them. So these can all go into the binder. Looks like more. And I won't go through all of them because there are 101. But the back has either signatures, a note, and their name. So very nice. Complete collection of their photo cards. So I will be putting them into these little sleeves, and this will be a very nice binder that I can book on my bookcase. And it's a great size as well. So thank you for attending my unboxing. I hope you enjoyed this. The Dicon is from Dispatch magazine, so that is who released this particular item. So thank you so much for joining me, and I hope to see you soon.